Hey SEO experts! Ever wondered if you could optimize your website's SEO strategy with a plugin that's both comprehensive and intuitive? Well, look no further because today, I'm going to talk about RankMath SEO plugin and why you should make the switch in 2025. First off, let's talk about what makes RankMath stand out. RankMath is designed to give you the best possible SEO advantage, right out of the box. With its easy-to-use interface, even a newbie can navigate through it effortlessly. One of the biggest reasons to switch to RankMath is its powerful features. Unlike other plugins, RankMath offers a built-in 404 monitor. This means you can easily track and fix broken links, ensuring your site remains user-friendly and search engine-friendly. Let's dive into the next feature, the Advanced SEO Analytics module. This module provides detailed insights and actionable tips tailored to your website's performance. Imagine having access to advanced keyword tracking, content analysis, and a robust reporting system, all in one place. That's RankMath for you. Another compelling reason to switch is the integrated schema markup. RankMath makes it super simple to add schema markup to your posts and pages, which can significantly boost your search engine rankings. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code. Now let's talk about the pricing. RankMath offers a free version that is packed with features that other plugins charge for. And if you decide to upgrade to Pro, the cost is incredibly competitive. This makes RankMath an excellent choice for both small businesses and large enterprises. Switching to RankMath can also improve your site's performance. It's lightweight and optimized for speed, which means it won't slow down your website. A fast site equals a better user experience and higher rankings on search engines. Another feature that sets RankMath apart is its seamless integration with Google Analytics. This integration allows you to track your website's performance directly from your WordPress dashboard. It's like having all your SEO tools in one convenient package. And if you're worried about migrating from another SEO plugin, don't be. RankMath offers a one-click import feature that allows you to transfer all your settings from your current plugin with ease. So to sum it up, RankMath SEO plugin offers a robust, feature-rich, and user-friendly solution for all your SEO needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned SEO expert, RankMath has something to offer. It's time to make the switch and take your SEO game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more SEO tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.